Hey there. Today, let's talk about something that's at the core of every successful journey: self-determination. It's that inner drive that pushes you to keep going, even when the going gets tough. Now, you might be thinking, isn't self-determination the same as ego or pride? Well, not quite. Ego and pride can sometimes lead to arrogance, but self-determination is different. Self-determination doesn't come from a place of arrogance. It comes from a deep belief in yourself. It's about knowing your worth and trusting in your capabilities. It's that unwavering confidence in your own abilities, no matter what the world throws at you. It's about having faith in your journey and your destination. You see, life is full of ups and downs. You'll face praise and you'll face criticism. There will be moments of joy and moments of despair. But here's the key. Don't let either of them define you. Don't lose sight of your vision. Don't lose sight of yourself. Stay true to your path, no matter how tough it gets. Imagine you're on a ship navigating through a storm. The waves are crashing, the wind is howling, and it feels like you're going to be thrown off course. But you hold on tight because you know where you're headed. But what keeps you going? It's that inner compass, that deep sense of direction inside you. That self-determination. It's your guiding star, your North Star. It's the same in life. Challenges will come, and sometimes they'll come hard. There will be obstacles that seem insurmountable. People will doubt you, and sometimes you might even doubt yourself. But remember this, your determination is your power. It's your secret weapon. It's what will keep you moving forward, even when the path isn't clear, even when the fog is thick and the road is tough. Think about the greats, those who have achieved the seemingly impossible. They didn't get there by accident. They had a vision, and they pursued it relentlessly. They believed in themselves. They kept their eyes on their goal no matter what. They didn't let setbacks deter them. They harnessed their self-determination. They used it as fuel to keep going. So how do you unlock your inner strength? Start by believing in yourself. Believe that you are capable of achieving great things. Trust in your own abilities. Set your goals. And don't let anything sway you from your path. Write them down, visualize them, and work towards them every day. Embrace the journey with all its highs and lows. Enjoy the process and learn from every experience. Remember, self-determination isn't about being perfect. It's about being persistent. It's about getting back up every time you fall. It's about pushing forward, even when it feels like everything is against you. It's about never giving up. So the next time you're faced with a challenge, pause and remind yourself of your inner strength. Take a moment to reflect on how far you've come. Remember that you have the power within you to overcome anything. You are stronger than you think. Now go out there and make something of yourself. The world is waiting for you.